Hello, my dear students. How are you? Once again, welcome to your chemistry lab today. Okay, and today I am going to demonstrate for my little ones. Yes, I mean for my dear class 6 and 7 students. I am going to show you that how to make a solution of copper sulphate. Okay, and I am going to show you what are the different apparatus we require. Right? So this activity is going to be very interesting. So stay with us till the end of the video and see how I prepare the solution of copper sulphate. Okay, now let me show you exactly what are the things I require today for this demonstration. Okay, so let me show you in detail what are the things we will require for this demonstration. Okay, I'll tell you the name of it also. If you want, you can note it down, right? Okay, for this demonstration we require watch glass, copper sulphate pentahydrate. You can see here, this is the copper sulphate pentahydrate. I will be using a tripod stand just to use this as a container. I will put the copper sulphate over here. I require one stirrer, one spatula, beaker and distilled water. So these are the things I require for today's demonstration. Now I will show you what is the exact texture and color of this copper sulphate pentahydrate. Now I will show you how this copper sulphate looks like, and I will take out copper sulphate with the help of a spatula. Look at it. I will take out one spatula. With the help of spatula, I will take out copper sulphate. Just look at the texture of copper sulphate. Let us have a close view. You can see this, that it is crystalline and the color is blue, not deep blue but sky blue, and since it is shining, so this is crystalline. So copper sulphate pentahydrate is a crystalline salt. Next we will move on to prepare the solution of this copper sulphate salt. Now once again with the spatula I will take few amount of copper sulphate from here, and using distilled water I will prepare a solution of copper sulphate, and we will see what happens next. So let's start. First I will add distilled water into the beaker. I will take a little amount in a beaker. We will add distilled water. Once the distilled water is added, gradually I will take, with the help of the spatula, copper sulphate crystal and add into the beaker. I will try to add few more so that the solution is clearly visible. After this, when you think that you have added sufficient amount of copper sulphate, then you need to make the solution. You can see the change in color already, but wait, it has not been yet dissolved. I will use a stirrer. This is a stirrer. With the help of this stirrer, I will stir the solution and try to dissolve the remaining copper sulphate, which you can see in the bottom part of this. So let us start dissolving. Gradually, I will stir this copper sulphate and will try to prepare the solution of it until and unless it get completely dissolved. Once the solution you think that it has been dissolved, then your solution of copper sulphate is ready. So here you see how it looks like. My dear student, just see the color of crystal copper sulphate, and when I add it into the solution, it gives a blue solution. We see that there is no salt left out in this beaker to get dissolved, which means copper sulphate completely dissolved in this water and make a soluble solution. There is no precipitation here, so which means copper sulphate is soluble salt. So here we end the demonstration for today. Hope you like this demonstration. If you have learned something, then write in your comments. Thank you for watching the video.